How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to play Fortnite on split screen mode on the PS4 as well as the Xbox Series X. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. In fact, all of the steps to actually enable this setting are built into the game and should be pretty self-explanatory, but I'll show you guys just how to do it. So the first thing that you guys would want to do on your consoles is to boot up Fortnite, obviously. And once you guys find yourselves in the main menu, you want to make sure that both controllers are connected to the console and are turned on. So if you're in PS4 or an Xbox, these steps should be the same. So to actually have this setting as an option and to have it enabled, both controllers need to be turned on, but this one is pretty self-explanatory. So the next thing that you guys need to do is once you're in the main menu, you want to click on the plus icon next to your character in the dashboard, or I should say the main menu. So basically the icon where you get to invite another player from your friends list or a different platform and whatnot. So once you click on that, there should be an option to invite a second player. So the way it works is once you invite a second player, a new window will pop up asking the second player to log into their account, right? So what essentially is happening here is two accounts are playing on one platform, being the console, the PS4 or the Xbox Series X. So once the second player has logged in, there should be an option to play on split screen. In fact, the way it works is once signed into their account, the second player will appear in the lobby and a split screen mode will automatically be turned on when you start the game, which is cool. So by default, I believe the way it works is split screen is set to portrait mode, which doesn't help a lot if you guys are playing on one display, being the TV. And the reason for that is because for a game like Fortnite, you would want the max FOV you can get for a competitive advantage. So I would recommend that you guys would have it set to landscape mode or horizontal, and it would look a little something like this. So player one goes here, player two goes here, and you're all playing on one console, each with your individual controller, playing the same game, playing in the same session. So to actually enable split screen mode, you would want to make sure that your internet connection is stable, as it's running to as the PlayStation is running two accounts to actually make it work. It even says so here that you want to check your internet connection, as split screen mode will only work if your connection is stable. Now, the way to actually turn this into a landscape mode or portrait is you want to go to the main settings, or rather, I should say the main menu. Go to settings, go to display, and set the split screen mode to horizontal. It even says so here that horizontal orientation is highly recommended, especially in a game like Fortnite. So you guys would get this, and yeah, that'd be it. And it's also important to note that split screen mode or two-player mode in one console does not work for all game modes. It even says so here that split screen mode does not work for creative, limited time modes, save the world, rank mode, and solos. In fact, while you guys are in the same lobby and not queued for a game, you guys should share one screen. So yeah, that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.